go. So, let's do some clashing. I had some good clashes yesterday. That was fun. Trying to get back into doing some more streaming. I don't know. We'll see. Been doing some side projects that have been kind of taking some time. Although, oh, actually, wait, what are you doing? Oh gosh. Sorry, I'm sitting here chatting and there's a clash going. All right. So this looks like it reverses. So we'll just do return string, like RS from now on. Let's try that. Then for char in S, if char dot is lower, rs plus equals char dot upper, else char plus equals, or no, rs plus equals char dot lower. Think that got it? All right. Whew. Okay, so I guess it wasn't too bad that I was rambling. Watch, it's gonna say that I actually got like 40% or something ridiculous like that. Come on. Oh, also, I didn't look at the chat. I didn't paste the link. Just messing up. Apologies. Alright, come on. There we go. Nice. Less than a minute. Well, let's do another one. That was a nice low-hanging fruit. Just checking to see if something is lowercase or uppercase, and then, you know, acting accordingly. That's not super challenging. It's definitely not like Pythagorean's triangles that I was dealing with yesterday, or what was that other one? It was factorials, and I found out that actually, yeah, it was like yeah, I'm looking at it right now. The chat from yesterday, Ultimarat told me about how you could just divide it by 5. So it's very interesting. It's a bit more mathematical than I admit I am. So, alright. Given a line of alphabet, oh, and I forgot the link again. Sorry. Given a line of alphabetic characters, extract all the uppercase characters to print them on the first line. Then extract all. Alright, this is the do first. This is the same thing we just did. Second, I like gimmies. For char in T, if char dot is upward. Okay, let's see. So all uppercase on the first line. So F plus equals char. Else S plus equals char. Print F. Print S. Does that work? Nice. Okay. So that's going to be good for our stats. Oh, dang. 1 second. Nice. Alright. Well, again, that was a nice low-hanging fruit. Pretty much a gimme. So, they're not all like that, as you know. Let's do another. Let's close out some of these old chats. Oh, yeah. I've been doing some more work on my Code Wars. Actually, I was going to say, we can check that out real quick. Oh, yeah, why not? Here's my profile. Got all these challenges, a lot of whites, you know, the really easy ones, but there's some pretty cool ones in there. Like a password cracker. I'm proud of that one. Anyways, let's do the clash. Fastest. Your program must output the number of letters inside a message. A letter is an character in... Ooh, this would be cool to do some regex, but let's do count equals 0 for char in message. If char dot is alpha, count plus equals 1. Print count. Does that work? Jeez. They're really liking the characters in these. That's, oh, shoot, I gotta go all the way back down. Alright. Let's see if our luck can keep holding out. That was, yeah, 3 low-hanging fruits. Nice. Another fastest. Alright, there are N pillars near the road. Oh, I've done this one. I can't do this one. I mean, oh, again the link. Well, that's okay. It doesn't look like we got too many people yet. So, all right. Yeah. So this one, there's an issue. So you got a couple pillars. There's some distance. You got to do the total distance between the edges of the two outmost pillars. So it's almost like, let's see. Well, let's work through this piece by piece. So we've got n pillars. All right. So that's our number of pillars. Oh, they even got the comments. Nice. The distance between the pillars is the same, and the width of each pillar is the same. So we got to add up all the distances. We also got to account for, let's see, without the width of the first and last pair. So I want to say, yeah, the constraints, there's always going to be two or more pillars. So first, I'm going to do this part. If n is greater than 2, d plus equals, if it's greater than, it'd be n minus 2 times, and then the width of each pillar. So we've got that, w. So then we got to add distance between pillars. So if we have 2 pillars, we have 1 distance. So d plus equals n minus 1 times, let's put those in parentheses. I don't know if I need the parentheses, I just kind of want to make sure I don't run into errors like that. Times, oh no, we need another variable, dist equals 0. We gotta change this because that's the distance between pillars, and that's what I'm trying to do, times dist. And then, oops, print dist. Now I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna work. We got 0, 1, 14, 78, so we're shooting low on all of them. Oh, we also got to do no, that should account for that, because let's see, between the edges of the two outmost pillars, it says without the width of the first and last pillar. So we're talking the inner edges, right? So the two outmost pillars we have, so if we have more than 2 pillars, then we're going to add however many more than 2 times the width. Okay, and then here we have, oh, this is backwards. That might be part of why. Is that going to get us closer? Oh, no way. I guess I spoke too soon. I was able to do it this time. I don't know, for whatever reason, last time I just couldn't get it. Although this is running a little slow. Is this? Should I close some of this stuff? I guess I don't have to. These were a couple of the puzzles that I was interested in attempting. Or this is one. Ah, jeez. Ah, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. I gotta turn that down too. Let's I'll just write a note for that. Still a small streamer, still figuring all this stuff out. Follow alert volume down. Still exciting though. I'm only 3 followers away now from 50. So that's awesome. Alright. So that was good. They did better. Alright. Ooh. I almost got it there. Alright. Let's do another. And now this time. Yes, you can see my browser history. Hello. Welcome to the stream. We just had some very easy clashes, so I'm still working on my 500 clashes for that one achievement. I think I'm close to 250, so about halfway there. Alright, let's see. So you must output for each participant in a race the traveled distance in meters at a given speed in a given amount of time. Alright, so we're going to have another dist. Set that to 0, and now we need to calculate that, print it out. Okay. So Wait, does this get complicated? The next n lines. Participant in a race, the traveled distance. So is each line another participant, I'm thinking? An integer for the number of participants, yes. So for one, two space integers, speed and time. Actually, we just, is this print s times t? No, couldn't be that easy. Although it's looking like we're not off by all that much. So yeah, I mean, I'm no expert. I'd say I'm still beginner to maybe intermediate on some of them, but I'm a level 9. I don't know. Like I found out yesterday, I'm not very good with regex. There's a few things that I could still definitely learn, and these shortest modes, but we'll see what I can do. All right, so speed and time. Let's see. Centimeters and meters. So we gotta take all of that, divide it by 100, which is weird because for a lot of these, we're actually found to expected 165. And then we also gotta, see, I didn't read hardly any of it, I just glazed over it. Found 0, expected, let's put that in here. So we're given centimeters per second, so we need to do a few conversions. That's what I was having an issue with. So, oh wait, still, I was gonna say no way. And now divided by 100. Is that it? Alright, cool. So I wasn't paying attention to the conversions. Now let's make this, we don't even need this. Let's shrink all this down. Shrink, take all this out. I actually don't have any variables, so I think this is oh, I can do indentation. I did learn this little nifty trick. You can just do a space, as long as it's uniform. Don't think I need a space there. Also don't think I need those spaces. Every little space helps. Alright. Make sure I didn't break it. Bada bing, there we go. Alright, I'm not sure what's going on here. Yesterday I started out with 2 that I just couldn't even, I failed miserably, so we'll see. Oh, I do want to see some Java. I haven't written Java in a long time. Yeah, I think they were just more concerned about finishing it, which is cool. I mean, Java's so much harder to do on these clashes because when time's a factor, because you got to type all this out. Yeah, system.out.println rather than just print. You know, have to declare what it is. I like being lazy with that. Huh, I wonder if they provide it as a class document. Either way, I think that was good. Let's go ahead and do another. We've only been going for 16 minutes. We got, what, 4? That's nice. Alright. Let's get the link. Alright, and let's clear out some of these other things. So I don't think those really need comments or questions. I mean, they're pretty straightforward. I say that, and then watch, this one's going to be like an optimization thing, which I struggle with too sometimes. But, alright, let's see. Doing a project with a colleague later. But it's a security thing, so can't really stream that one. Alright, 2520 is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the numbers from 1 to 10 without any remainder. What is the smallest positive number that is evenly divisible? Okay. For num in range, let's see. So we need to, let's just do 1,000 for now. Wait, I don't have my number lock. There you go. I know that's not the best way, it's just hacky, so I just wanted to see if I can get it for now. Alright, so this needs to be divisible by A to B, I'm guessing inclusive, yeah, inclusive. So, positive number that is evenly divisible by all of the numbers. Oh. A, comma, B, plus 1. Oh, that's the inner loop. Sorry. So for n in range 1000. Yeah, because just do the single space. And then v equals true. If v print no. Oops. Else, but else. Maybe I should wait to take all the spaces out until the end. This is kind of jamming me up. V equals true. Alright, so this is going to check to make sure that every number in that range, and I just threw 1000 in there, that's just a hard code guess. Let's see. If n modulo num doesn't equal 0, v equals false. So if v, and also I want to break out of that because that's going to loop through all that. And now, is there a situation when there isn't? I wonder. Let's see if that even gets close. Oh, we got 1. We got the easy case. Alright, so 12. Alright, so something there is not working. Oh. I gotta check for all the numbers, that's right. I'm only checking for the first one. Oh wait, no. Because for all the numbers in the range 0 to, or not 0, A to B, so the lower limit and the upper limit. And let's see. This one, so that's this inner loop. So that's going to loop through all of our targets, like our lower range, our upper range, inclusive, with that plus 1. And if at any time our n, our outer number, oh, wait, what? No, that's right, because we want to see which number is a positive number that is evenly divisible by all of the numbers. So yeah, so if at any time that's not evenly divisible by the numbers in that range, yeah, so why am I, let's see, found 11, expected something massive, let's see, what's this one? Print. I want to see what the range is. Oh wait, I can also look here, right? 1 to 2, 4 to 6, 10 to 12, 2 to 11. Okay. It's going to make it really slow. Oh, and also, like to print variables, but I forget that you can just in test cases. Come on. Okay. So found 6, expected 60. Why is that? Maybe we do want to, I mean, Six, six, six. Okay, so that tells me there's something wrong there because we got. Let's see. So our 4 to 6. So a number that is evenly divisible by 4. 6 is not that. So that shouldn't matter. Oh, whoops. I can't assign it. Yeah, no, it's still. Oh. No. It's printing out 6. A lot of times. So that doesn't make sense because our range is only 4 to 6. Let's see. So I don't see why this would be a thing. Um, hmm. Okay, it's kind of okay. Count. Let's equals 1. Why not? And then I also kind of want to see how many times we're actually printing that out. Oh, whoops. What we need. So this one, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I've had issues with the not equals, but that should. Hmm. What is our count? 167. We're printing it. So that means this isn't getting set to false. So. Oh, what's this? Well, this is what, oh, least common multiple? Oh, geez. Is that return least common multiple of the specified integer arguments? If all the arguments are non-zero, then the return value is the smallest positive integer. Oh. Math.lcm the range. That would be a lot easier. Oh, whoops. Where are we at? Print math dot. Is that as simple as it is? Range object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh, let me look at that a little more. So, let's see. Hmm. Return the least common multiple of the specified integer arguments. If all arguments are non-zero, then the return value is the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of all the arguments. Oh, star range? Is that... LCM is not a known member of module Pyrite. LCM. Huh. No, that's something else, isn't it? I think that's C++. LCM. Yeah. So it looks like we don't have it in this version. Although that sounds a lot like this other one that I just did. It was another common denominator. But let's see. LCM. No, it's still not the thing. It's thinking maybe if we assigned it rather than print it, but that shouldn't matter. That should. Not a member. Huh. Well, I appreciate the tip, but I don't know if that's gonna work here. Still, I mean, this process should work, because if I'm thinking about the, I mean, obviously it's not, but oh, and then yeah, so that one works just because it's very, oh wait, I did not break. There we go. So it works for the very simplest case. Ah, we only got like a minute left. Alright, so we finally met one that stumped us. Or I did. So found 6, expected 60. Why does it kick out at 6? I believe that was the 40. Let's look at the test cases again. Let's see. 10 to 12. Yeah, this should work. Let me see if there's another. Whoa. Yeah, I did not. Ah, appreciate the follow. Thank you to Sloa. Let's see. So I'm looking up one. Oh, timed out. Oh, I was looking up other ways to do the least common multiple, if there's any. Print LCM range. What's the 2 after the end? Oh, I didn't. Oh, and I think I closed that chat. Well, I mean, definitely, like, you're spot on with the concept, just for whatever reason. And yeah, I think I did have import math in there, and then yeah, did the pointer range star, but yeah, it just wasn't like in this. Maybe it wasn't in this version. I don't know. But then I was looking up the other ones because I feel like there was one that was like a least common LCD, least common divisor. Yeah, and there's some references here. I guess I could. If you, yeah. Either way, we had to have something. I mean, we had like four easy ones in a row, so that's all right. I appreciate the help though. Appreciate the try. Let's see. Oh, and we gotta get the link and bada bing. Right. I wonder. Can I do this in while I'm? Yes. Let's try that. Better. And there we go. That might be a little easier on everyone's ears. So, and I no, don't get me wrong. I definitely appreciate the follows. Like I said, we're really close to that 50. So let's go ahead and save that. Didn't mess up the stream. Sweet. Okay, so I'm thinking if this is equal to Simon Says, print what's after the. Huh. Well, let's do this. If now, this might not work because we really should say like if it's equal to. No, let's do that. Um, Sentence in the range to what indice is that? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 inclusive, so 10 equals equals. Let's do that. So now you need to chop off somehow to after right. Now let's just print Simon just to see if we got that right. So we do have it for the first one, do have it for the second one. Good. Okay, so we are targeting it correctly. We are getting the Simon Says. Now we need to print okay. So now we need to look for the word right. The first instance of the word right. And then everything after that we need to print. So else print dot dot dot. Okay. So right there we're going to pass some tests. Nice. Alright, what are all the Simon ones? 3, 4. Ooh. So there's a corner case. If we don't have anything after right, and it looks like there's not even a space, if you try to highlight, we don't have even a space there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is return string equals that, and then So now we just got to build it. And so, and this is reverse mode, so it doesn't matter. So we can be lengthy index, and then while index is less than len sentence. Red equals that. Actually, sorry, I think I want to do it this way. No. There's a few ways we could do it. For char in sentence, red plus equals char, if right in red, v equals false for like valid, v equals true if v rs plus equals char. There we go. That should, go ahead and take this out. Nope. So okay, that's okay. We're just doing that a little too early. There we go. Okay, we got 42. There. We get all of them? All except for that one. Okay, so now this one, Simon Wright says what? Okay. Let's see, what's going on here? I think we're about a similar spot to this other person here. They got 88%. Erasing stuff, but yeah, this should trigger. Why is it not triggering? Because I'm not seeing if Simon Says is in this target. This is this equal to that print? So it found nothing. Meaning it didn't even make it to... Oh wait, what's all this? We haven't even tried all these other things. Oh, 4. I'm looking at the wrong test case. Simon Says, right. There's and leng rs greater than 1. There we go. We handled that situation. Now, 9 is an interesting test case. Did we pass it? Oh, I guess we passed it. Cool. Never mind. So I guess we just needed to deal with the corner case of... Yes, exactly. It's noise. You got it. That's what my problem was. I was missing the corner case of if... Oh, and I'm even looking at this chat. Okay, we're good. I missed that corner case, so... Cool. Wow. Nice. Oh. There we go. Got it. Ah. Okay. So, the Klats Conjecture is an opened mathematics problem. Given a number n, the repetition of the following operation will always eventually reach the loop 1 to 4 to 2 to 1. If n is even, n becomes n minus 2. If n is odd, n becomes 3 times n plus 1. Can you try it with the given numbers and print the number of steps it took to reach 1? Okay, so already I know we're going to need a count equals 0. And we're going to need to process this sequence until, so, while n is not equal 1. And then we need to do some things. Now this is risky. It could easily become an infinite loop. So, if n is even, and divide equals 2. Might need the double divide. I don't know if that works, but... Oh, whoops. Need 2 right there. Oops. There we go. Okay, so if it's even, else we do something else with it. It becomes 3, so n times equals 3. I love doing that. Although times equals divide equals plus 1. Print count. Let's see if that works. No. Oh, jeez. Infinite loops, maybe? Yeah, we timed out on 1. High power of 2. So I'm thinking that there's probably another little math trick to do this. So, Klats Conjecture. So that's a well-known something in math, or theory, or concept. Given the number n. Now this is what I don't get. 1 to 4, we're already at 1. So these steps are irrelevant, it would seem. So that's a little confusing to me. Also, as much as I like it, equals n double divide by 2. I know that causes some issues. Let's go ahead and try that. Let's see. Does that get us? No. Oh! That's right. We're not incrementing our count. How embarrassing. So it'll always be 0. Now, ooh, yeah, you're right. I do probably need some parentheses there, or just n times 3 plus 1. We'll separate it out, and then also, just to be safe, because you're right, that could get confusing. Nice. Oh, very good. See? You're right on top. Spot on. Alright, now we gotta make this shortest mode. Make that, oops, something relevant. Can I do that? It just looks so bad. Because I'm a big fan of spreading out my work so people can see and understand. Because I'm used to having my code peer reviewed. So, you know, if they saw this shortened stuff, they'd be like, okay, cool, you're fancy. Now fix it. Okay. Still good. Let's take out all the other stuff. Okay. Think we're good. Do we beat 90? No. But, second's not bad. I'm just stoked to finish a clash. The 100% is what I really go for. Alright. And are we even bothering with the... Okay. Let's do another. So I think we've done 6. Oh. There we go. Yeah. There's that. Alright, reverse mode. Thinking that's minutes and seconds. So t equals 0, t plus equals val list equals duration dot split t plus plus equals val list at 0, 1 times, wait, because we're putting out the seconds, I think. What is this? Int Okay, and then t plus equals at position 1. That should work. There we go. I did a really nightmarish one. Actually, let's see if we can see that real quick. So we're looking at trying to remember. It's one of the 2 or 3 blues I did. Well, there's a challenge in here that's very similar to that, and it actually took me a long time. I might look for it. Yeah, because this is gonna take a while to load. We can refresh. We got a lot of stuff going on. Maybe I'll check that out later. But oh yeah, and I don't need my profile. Anyways, I did a challenge on Code Wars that was very similar, and it actually took me pages and pages of code. It was ridiculous, and it was all due to formatting. I had to say, basically the input was, oh, whoops, I did not get the link. Apologize. Anyway, the concept was is if you get a bunch of seconds, and we're talking thousands, and it might have even been milliseconds or something like that, or nanoseconds, and we had to convert it. I had to convert it to minutes, seconds, days, hours, years, I think even. And if you had 1 year, you change the output. Singular versus plural, so you had a bunch of different factors to format the output. So yeah, once I figured it out, I shrunk it down to like 1 page of code, but until then, I was literally going into pages, multiple screens of code. So, because I was like, if there's only one of these, print this on the string. Anyways, print out a statement given the input. So we got a string, print out none if no alphabetical chars. No. Okay, so refined equals that. For char in IP, if char dot is, oh wait, no, all num, because isn't this alphanumeric, alphabetical chars? Oh, we don't know, never mind, it's just alpha. Is alpha, but I'm a little confused with the the greater than and equal sign. Let's see, refined plus equals char. If len refined equals 0, print none, else print refined. Okay, and what are we doing? Fastest? Let's see. Why are we including print? That's weird. Alright, well, okay. So we're gonna have to do that. So, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So we need to preserve spaces, greater than equal sign. Ignore all non-alphabetical, except for the following. See, I didn't even read that. Alright, okay, I got a nice easy way to do this. Exceptions. Oh, jeez. Control Z. We're not going to be lazy, we're going to just do. There we go. And actually, or char in exceptions. Yo, what's wrong here? What? Why? What? Hmm. Sorry, I got an issue going on here. Can we? Should we try to do? What is your problem? Why are you freaking out? Expected expression to the right of. Whoa, yeah. It's a string. Can we? Let's run some tests. Get out of here. Okay. I know, that got a lot bigger than I wanted it to be. Whatever. See, that's one thing that bothers me about CodinGame. Sometimes the the error squiggly stays. So it makes you think you got something wrong when really... Or sometimes it seems to run with errors and still work. I don't know. Anyways, third in is not bad. Let's see how someone else did it. Yeah, you could do that. Now that looks a little complicated. I mean, slicker, like clever. So printing that. And if that's, then print none. Okay, I can see that. Nice. Quicker, anyway, too. Alright, so we've at least done 7. Let's keep it going. We got all these... Oh no. Did I get it? There. Alright, so shortest mode. You're a scientist, observing the life cycle of a simple ecosystem composed of rabbits and foxes. You observe that these populations are pretty predictable. After each month, if the rabbit population was over 12 times the fox population, each fox eats 3 rabbits. Then the fox population increases by 20%. Otherwise, each fox eats 1 rabbit and the fox population decreases by 10%, keeping only the integer part. After each month, I guess you can't have half a fox, huh? After each month, if the temperature ranges between 20 and 35 degrees included, the remaining rabbit population doubles, otherwise it decreases by 10%. Again, can't have partial rabbits. You are given the number of rabbits and foxes at some point and the temperatures for the n following months. How many rabbits and foxes will be remaining after n months? Okay, so we got a lot of moving parts here. We've got a few conditions. I think the easiest is doing the temperature thing, but, you know, of course we have to do that second or third. Alright. So we have rabbits, foxes at the initial month, and n the month at which you want to predict the number of remaining rabbits and foxes. Oh, and then all the temperatures. Okay. So okay. Let's barrel on through it. So after each month, So I'm trying to think. So the first one after each month. So we have to. I don't know if it's inclusive with the initial month. The initial month, I think, is just the initial rabbits and foxes. That's our population. Then after each month. No, no, we would still do the calculation for that initial one because we could do uh, if rabbits greater than or equal to 12 times foxes, rabbits, each fox, so that's minus equals 3 times foxes, okay, we're also still dealing with whole numbers there. Wait, each fox eats 3 rabbits, so we're taking away 3 times that, so the number of foxes. Then the fox population. Okay, so now we need to do foxes plus equals foxes times point. What was that? 20%, 1/5, 0.25? No, 0.2. Is that 1/5? Yeah, 2/10. Okay. So this is where force it to be an int. You should probably do round. Or no. No, because we can't round up. If you have half a fox, you don't count it. Keeping only the integer part. Truncates. Cool. Got it. Alright, so we changed the foxes. So now, otherwise, else. Wait, where was I? Keeping only the integer part. Wait. Otherwise, each fox eats 1 rabbit, and the fox population decreases by 10%. Okay, so how do we? Wait, hold on. There's a lot of words to look through. Let's see. Otherwise, there we go. Each fox eats 1 rabbit. So rabbits minus equal foxes. There we go. And the fox population decreases. So foxes minus equals foxes times 0.1. And truncate that. Okay. So that's good for this first part. Now we also need to do the temperatures. After each month, if the temperature ranges between 20 and 35 included, so that's a whole nother if statement. If temperature is less than equal to, or no, greater than or equal to 20 and temperature is less than equal to 35. There we go. Do a thing. Rabbits increases by, oh, rabbits plus equals rabbits. Or you can do times equals 2 or whatever you want to do. Else rabbits minus equals int rabbits times 0.1. All good? What's wrong here? Temperature. Copy paste that. Now, let's see how they want it. Output. Rabbits, foxes. Cool. Print rabbits plus foxes. Boom. Oh. Right. 23 So yeah, when I was first learning Python, I remember I always had to cast anything I printed to a string. It was very annoying. It's one of the things that I liked Java better for. Okay, so we've got a couple corner cases, but we're still pretty close. So imagine, oh, this is all, let's see those test cases. So we have those populations. So the populations are always the same. And what is that? N. Yeah, we've got our rabbits, our foxes, and our N. So what are we calculating wrong here? Let's see. So we got it correct. 8, 10, and 90. So what changes? Is that just a temperature of 5, and then temperature 5, temperature of 12, 5, 12, 19, 5, 12, 19, 23. So I think it's something to do with the temperatures, because here is where we're messing up. So if it's in this range, rabbits, alright. The remaining rabbits population doubles. That should be. Maybe it's not meant to be inclusive on this end? That doesn't seem like it would be it. Ah, okay, so found, expected, so we're just shooting high. Interesting. So it looks like by casting. Oh, hey, what's up, Mr. Debugger? Let's see. Print rabbits, foxes will print each argument separated by spaces without having to cast a string. Oh. See, and that's why I get confused. Like, if you could do stuff like that, print rabbits, foxes, then you don't need to worry about string. It figures it out. Python's smart. Okay, well, cool. Hey, appreciate that. Thank you. That'll help for shortest mode too, if I don't have to keep casting string and then plus a space and all that. Alright, I like that. I'll have to remember that. So, we got that. So I think what's going on here is I need to truncate this, and this is actually rounding. So, just math.floor could work. Let's try that. No? Still shooting high, just by one of each. Am I thinking about percentages wrong? Now that is 1/5 and 10%. That's This one's low. Low on the rabbits, and then high on the foxes. Does this change anything? Let's see. Alright, so I guess it doesn't matter that it's inclusive or not there. Yeah, just for laughs. Weird. That didn't change it at all. If I make it inclusive or not. Yeah, it's the same values. So, and actually if we look at the temperatures here, there are no. Granted, I need to be careful because once you submit it, that's probably going to be a thing. Ooh, yeah. Let's take a look at that. So, let's see. So it does truncate it off then? Okay. That's what I thought. I mean, that's what. I remember C++ being like that. and I had a lot of problems with that because I was truncating when I needed to round. Okay. Wait. Said x minus int y when it should be int of x minus y. So are you saying I should maybe make these like equals foxes plus, and then just to be sure, I like to group those together. And then just do that for all of them where we have to deal with percentages. So equals and then rabbits equals and I hope I did all those right, the subtract and add. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, we already got the first couple months, so I didn't break anything. Oh, good call. Dang. That makes sense. So I was getting a little too fancy trying to do too much at once, so making sure that it applies the truncation to that, that makes sense. Thank you for the tip. Cool. Oh, good. I thought I thought I hit submit. We want to make this short. Okay. So now, first things, R and, well, let's change all the R's first. Because then it'll tell you where you need to change. Then F. K. And T. Alright, so I'm taking out the spaces. Ah. Well, either way. What did we get? Wait, what? I broke it? What did I break? That's annoying. We had that one. Alright. Wow, that was a lot of characters. Okay, well. Let's see. Chat is loading. I can get rid of all of these. Oh, hey. Nice. Oh. Oh, no. I was just about to say we should invite just carping them DMs. They're pretty good. My TCS. Don't recognize any of these other. And still, like, my reality is shattered now that I know that they have a bunch of bots. So I don't know any of these. Are they real? Are they fake? I mean, you know, and the fact that CodinGame is, like, really big in France. So, you know, I don't, okay, go away. Alright. You must output the average of the Lucas numbers between two numbers. Lucas numbers are like the Fibonacci numbers. Every number is the sum of the two numbers appearing before it, but the first number of the series is 1 and the second is 3. Okay, so let's see this in a few parts. So we need a calculus. Hey. Hey, what's up, Caillou? I don't know what that's supposed to do. Is that... I haven't really figured out how to assign things to the bang links, so apologize. I'm still pretty new. Let's see. Alright, so I see this as a couple of parts. First we need to calculate Lucas numbers, and then so L equals that. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, I've seen the private clashes. We might do some of that. I'm really just going for that 500 mark, trying to get that accomplishment. But yeah, I'm not against private clashes for sure. But isn't that how if I post the link, you guys are able to join it, like when I do this, and then pretty sure that's how it works, right? But yeah, yeah, we could definitely do private clashes. I'm not against that. Um, hmm. Oh, what's up? We got raided. This has happened before. What's up, Anthony? I was actually just watching your stream a little while ago. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. Watch like how many people are in here now. Yeah, these raids are insane. He's always got like 100, 150 people watching him do stuff. So check out Anthony Red's code if you haven't. But okay, so calculating Lucas numbers. Sorry. Oh, I struggle with Fibonacci sometimes because there's a few Code Wars challenges where you have to do Fibonacci a few different ways. So let's see. These will be our Lucas numbers. I'm gonna do it in a range. Ah, thanks for the follow, Anthony. Let's see. Oh, and I guess I should say I am a big fan of Vim. I like your Bobby. Like that's very impressive. But when I was doing my cybersecurity training, my professor was really against Nano, and his thing was like, "Oh yeah, yeah, I definitely hit that goal. Thank you." But yeah, I remember my professor. He was really against Nano because Nano's not always available, and so he was a really big advocate of Vim. But you know, I'm thinking Bobby's a lot better with all those features and stuff that you've been adding to it. Okay. Anyways, sorry. Fibonacci or Lucas. So, oh wow, getting a lot of followers. Thank you. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that one. Sorry. Let's see. So, first equals 1, second equals 3. For num in range, let's just do 1,000. L dot append f plus s equals, no, f equals s and s equals f. Oh, should probably change that first. First equals second, and then second equals third equals 4. First equals second equals third. How am I doing this? So, oh yeah. Let's see. Push the digits up. Oh well, see this. I'm just calculating the Lucas numbers first. So I was gonna do that, and then I was gonna do. Let's see, because we're trying to do the average of the Lucas numbers between the two numbers. So yeah, I get where you're saying like push the digits upper the S to start and E to N. Yeah, that's once we have it calculated though. Or no, I guess. Well, no, because if we start there, then we're actually going to be building. I'm trying to think of a way to make that work because without calculating the Lucas numbers initially. Although we're pretty close. Let's see, because we gotta figure. I feel like I'm gonna be changing these and they're gonna be wrong. So we got first is 1, 3, and 4. We got that. Then third is gonna be those. So let's see. Third equals f plus s. Yeah, so I mean it's pretty much Fibonacci just with a different starting point. And yeah, in Code Wars there are a few challenges. I wish I could just have them pulled up and ready to go to show you, but like where they say, you know, calculate Fibonacci to this many, or I think they even make you start with different numbers and make a Fibonacci of that. So maybe I even did Lucas before, but for now we got to change the values without changing, and then we got to append. So first plus second, that's the easiest. Or we could even just do, you know, append third. We'll just keep it simple like that. And then we reassign third to those. Then we got to reassign these, build them up. So I almost want to do like temp equals 0. So then like we'll throw that over into temp. Then we can change first equals second, second equals third, third equals temp. So I think that should work. And then, so now we've built a list, we've appended all the, oh, we'll also have to do 1, 3. So we got to start with, and so we append 4, okay. So we're going to have a massive, like, 1002 value Lucas number list, and now we can do for num in range. Wait a minute, no, even that, because or you know what? Yeah, whatever. It'll all calculate fast. For num in L, if num is greater than S, probably inclusive, I'm guessing, greater than S, and num is less than equal to finish, and we're doing the average of them, so sum equals 0, av equals 0. Alright, so actually we'll do a count as well. I know this is getting very lengthy, and this is supposed to be a shortest mode. Let's see. Alright, so if it's in that range for all of the Lucas numbers, then, oh, also we'll do elif num is greater than f break. There we go. So that'll stop it from, I guess that's more of an optimization thing, not necessarily like a shortest mode. Oh, tuple assignments? Yeah. Yeah. I think we got it with this one. I think. I don't know. Let's try it. If not, I'll check out the tuples thing, because I'm actually just getting into the using those with Python. Let's see. Sum plus equals num. Count plus equals 1. And then at the very end, all we want to do, oh, I went way down. Sorry. We want to print out the average. So sum, and is it looking for, let's see, sum divided by count. See how close we are. Okay, module by 0. So wait a minute, if we got modulo by 0, or division, yeah, sorry, so that means count never incremented. So we never got to a num that. Awesome, yeah. Like I said, thanks for the raid. I was wondering if that was gonna be a thing, but yeah, I love your streams. I'll be checking them out. So enjoy that food. All right, so yeah, we need to make sure that if count is 0. But then if count is 0, let's try some other test cases. Let's see. Yeah, we're not incrementing count, so that looks like a thing with everything. Okay, so for every number in the list, if it's greater than the start and So something about that's not communicating. In fact, let's go ahead and just comment that out because we don't really need extra superfluous stuff. Let's see. Alright, well, I don't normally like doing this because that's assuming found 0, 0, 0, 0. So yeah, I think it's just not, I think it's just not doing this. For num and L. Item. I mean, I know it's just a personal thing. I know it doesn't actually change anything. Item, and then I wonder if I need to cast it to an int so it can compare. Is it? No, because it's appending nums, ints. So, actually, for giggles, oh geez. See, we got 2 minutes. We might not make this, but nobody else is making either, so I don't feel as bad. All right, let's see our list. It's gonna be like. I mean that. Oh, okay. So right there. Why is that? So I think we could just do that like that. There, that eliminated the duplicate. Looks like we got accurate Lucas numbers. What is all this? We're printing. So that's a lot. Why are these massive numbers? Interesting. Let's see. So I think a while would be a good choice. Yeah, or maybe I don't need well, okay, yeah, these big numbers. Let's try to just do 100 of these things. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, so I think that's what the thing was. Yeah. So but we're still not calculating. Yeah, that's my issue is I'm not reaching this. So even though we're going through, we've got the Lucas numbers. So step 1's good. And then we need to go through, if the item from the list is in that range, greater than equal to start, less than equal to finish, because I've done that before. Well, yeah, I don't think we're going to get this. 40 seconds. Yeah, because all of it, it's basically just this part. I mean, I'm just not. We could do like a while loop, like index equals 0, while index is less than len L minus 1, if L at index greater than equal to S and L index is less than equal to F. So, nope, timed out. Oh well. Actually, I just had a comment on private clashes. Should we do a private clash? We can. I mean, I'm down. I failed miserably. Oh, let's look. Oh, Ruby. I was just saying, Carpin's really good at this stuff. Yeah, look at that. Boom. Of course, Ruby. I've never programmed in Ruby, so. Yeah, you're right. I saw that. Same with min and max. I should get into the habit of not using sum. So, I saw that change. I wonder if that was. I don't know if I've had it work before, but I could see that being the problem. Let's see. Nobody else finished the shared code. Yeah, I'll share it. It can't hurt. Yeah. Does everybody want to do a private clash? We can. I mean. Oh yeah, Carpin's in here. Welcome, Carpin. So, nicely done, by the way. But it looks like we all kind of struggled with that one. Or no, I shouldn't say that. We got 6 minutes here, 7 minutes there. So, how do you do a? I've never actually done one before. So if we did, let's see if I can figure it out. Could be clashing. Launch a private clash. There we go. All right. Are we all good with yeah, we all good with fastest, shortest, and reverse? Are there any preferences? I mean, personally, I'm not a big fan of shortest just because I'm not good at it, but I don't mind doing a shortest like we could. Um, reverse doesn't really, I mean, that seems like a normal one for me. And then, yeah. Well, we'll go ahead and we can do a couple private ones. Let's do one with all three, and then if there's any preferences, we'll do one. Um, and let's throw this in. Let's see. We need that, right? So everyone can join. Oh, nice. Thanks for the follows. Very appreciated. Very appreciate it. I was hoping to hit 50, and I definitely did today. Which means I think I'm eligible for affiliate, and then I don't know if they have to rank that or not. But ever since I've been doing these clashes, I usually get more than 3 or 4 people watching, so that part's been okay. Alright. Give everybody some time to get in here. Okay, everybody in that wants to join? Oh no. Sorry, I don't wanna cut anyone out. We good? Okay, let's do it. He's you could have 100 private people. That'd be insane. Alright, reverse mode. So okay. Okay, I already know that I don't have all of it yet. But do I have the trues? Okay, cool. So now, uh-oh. I'm not really explaining it as I go. Um, okay. Oh, nicely done. We got a few people getting there. Uh, Come on. Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Test 5. What's going on with 5? Let's do the very first one. Okay. False. So H and N. Oh. There we go. Why is it double? HN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oops. Just formatting stuff. Alright. My last. Oh no! Ah! What's going on here? Found expected. Let's see. Okay. P versus B. Is that? I'm just getting hung up on one letter on one test case. Ah, hi Tom. Welcome. We're doing a private clash, and I am very close to getting, what is this, like third, fourth out of the viewer? No, fifth, sixth. But yeah, I'm messing up with one letter. Let's see what's going on here. Why is it B? Oh, join sorted. Nice, it's sorted. Just a heads up to everybody. There we go. Nice. It's kind of middle of the road. Let's see. It's kind of redundant to have this chat too, huh? I'm going to close some of these. Oh, we are talking in this one. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Was it because you didn't sort? Is that, Oh, no, you did sort. Here it is. So, which test case were you not getting? Because it looks like you were getting most... Oh, wait. Jeez. Never mind. You and I both. Interesting. Wow. That... Good job, Caillou. This makes my head hurt. But this is awesome. Those are those little one-line zingers. That's why... Once I get better at stuff like that, I'll be better at these shorter mode things. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. So we got... We're comparing A and B. Lower, upper, okay. Yeah, word 1, word 2. Maybe, nice. But I wonder, yeah, what's being done differently here? We got upper, so, but that shouldn't really. Hmm. Well, yeah, the only thing that I can see that'd be different is upper versus lower, but that should be irrelevant. You know, you're still comparing. Oh, wait a minute. Did I not do an upper or lower? No, I did. Lower, okay. Because I was thinking that might have been a thing. I think one of the test cases. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with zip. That's a new thing for me. I want to get more familiar with using it. As much as I've used 2D arrays, it seems like it makes that a lot easier. Let's see, where are we at on time? Okay, we'll hang out and let the others finish and then maybe do another private clash. Let's see. Iterate on WB, do the same thing. Let's see, let's pull that back up. Okay. Ooh, that's fancy. I like that. So if you're checking to see if they're equal to each other, am I correct in thinking that the R is a boolean, and then if R string version of R dot upper. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's a boolean, and then hmm, that's pretty snazzy. Let's see, we got some other people. It looks like, yeah, having similar issues. Let's see here. It looks more like what I was doing. That is fancy, and pointers too. I should start using pointers. Anyway, sorry. Anywhere that I can improve on my coding, that's where I'm at. So 4 minutes. Ooh, using set. There you go. Yeah, I'm thinking it's just a length thing. Yeah, if one's shorter than the other, it might have been throwing off some of the tests because I think all of the tests. Let's see. Is there a way to? Is there a way to see the test cases? Hmm. Oh, thanks for clarifying that. So it means split the list into separate values, huh? Oh, okay, so that's kind of like using join, only cleaner, I guess. This means split. Ah, thanks for the follow, Tom. So it means split the list into separate values. Yeah, because we were yeah, that's right. I was looking at yours. So that splits it into separate values. That would be handy. Because yeah, usually I just use join, and then I either join on, like here you have your separator, or your comma, or... And not too long ago, I used to actually still build my return string manually, like add each individual thing, just throw another loop in there. So, but if it gets done, I mean, like they say in the description in these things, any way you can get it done. But good practice and all that. Alright. Oh, and while we're finishing up, are there any preferences for any of the types of clashes, or is it good? You guys all good with all three types? I mean, if not, we'll just go ahead and do the three. But we should definitely do another private one. That was fun. I got some time. Not really doing. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. So we got that. Just because I was curious if length was a factor and why some of us were. Oh wow, how'd you find this? So if we're looking at a Clash of Code, like from here, where would I find that? Yeah, because that's really handy. Or is that the same link that we did at the very beginning? Let's see. 59E? No, it's not the same link as the beginning. Let's see. But that's cool. They got the whole description of it. Oh, do you have to do it when you have the Clash open? Maybe? Oh, and they are always the same. Oh, yeah, I guess I could look at the test cases. Yeah, we got 6 characters there. We got, looks like 6 there. 3, 3. Yeah, they all look the same. Huh. Alright, well, let's see. We good on the Clash? Everybody turned in? Let's do another private one. Let's see. Alright. And, yep. Nobody is against the other. Or everyone seems to be okay. So we'll go ahead and do all 3 again. And... bada bing. There we go. Ah. I'll fall you back. Alright. Hmm. Cool. Alright, is everybody in that's jumping in? We got everybody? Ah, yeah, I think that's a good point. Like for duplicates and stuff. Oh, sorry, we do have a couple more people join in. I'll give it a few more seconds, but yeah. So if there was duplicate letters, so for that, would it be? Would you need to have eliminated duplicates to get the correct answer? Because that could have been another thing. Like I know sorting was one of the last things I did to fix a couple of those last test cases. Then maybe just removing duplicates was the very last step I needed to do. Well, either way, I think we got everyone in. Let's go ahead and clash. That was a tricky one for sure. All right, fastest. What? Oh, jeez, good job, Snoise. All right. Um, half of them behind. Four. No, that's still. Huh, man. Hmm. Okay, so. Oh. Jeez. I forgot that we needed to do, let's see. Times count. Okay. Took me a little while, but I got there. Was that the last one? It was. Yep. So I struggle. Yeah, sorry. I was trying not to look at the chat, trying not to get any hints or anything, but let's see. Did you golf? What is that? Nice. That is insane. Look at that. All right, cool. I think I've made typos bigger than your code. All right. Python. Nice. 22 seconds. Yeah, see, that was awesome. Oh, and then counting the numbers. See, yeah, that would have been easier than just, comparators. Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, doing the double divisor instead of. That's good to know. Thank you. Because I knew you could do the divide equals, but yeah, the double divisor to keep it even. Let's see. Yeah, and then resetting the count. Yeah, that was another thing that I wasn't doing. So cool. Well, that was a quick one. Let's do another. Yeah. Yeah. For some reason, I was thinking like a total count, so I was like, you know, put it at the end. Should have paid attention to the initial case. All right. Let's see. And toss that in there. All right. Let's get rid of some of these. All right. Yep, and that's an old one. Sorry, I was just looking at this world chat a little bit when I saw the copyright police, and I remember that being a thing when I was doing some web dev. But um, something I noticed, one of the challenges is the Hypnotoad from Futurama. Like that's their logo. So if you want to talk about copyright things, that's another Futurama thing. So I thought that was funny, but a really cool looking puzzle. It's that tower defense one, and I used to do that tower defense with the old StarCraft game back in the day. Old. I remember when that was brand new. But anyways, yeah. So I've definitely done a lot of tower defense type games, and then being able to code it looked pretty interesting. So, all right, everyone in that's joining in, good to go. And here we go. All right, shortest mode. There's your golf. You must output the total cost of the items in a shopping cart. All right. Sorry, I don't know why I'm reading it out to you guys. You people. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Just made an infinite loop. How's everyone else doing? Okay. Oh man. 15. What? Oh, I broke it. 15. I had it. I was passing all the tests, and then I had to shorten it. Dang it. Oh, what did I break? Invalid literal for int. Oh, this shouldn't change anything. Well, let's go ahead. Why? Oh. Is that all it was? I think so. Yeah. T, T, T. Good enough for me. Oh, index. now. Okay, we got that. Yeah, no, that breaks it. We have to eat that. Although it's unnecessary, that first one. Still gotta have it. Hmm. Okay, we're still good. Let's do it there. C. Let's change that to A. Why not? C. Okay. Have I used T? I have. So let's do H. Now we're getting into Google's variables. um, I mean, I know I'm not going to win this one. The shortest. 43 characters. Nice. Oh, any of these. 75, 98, anything under 100, or even... Let's see. That'd be interesting. Alright. We got 2 minutes. I'm going to submit mine. I'll let the rest of you finish in peace. Whew, very close, you two. Let's see. Or should we wait until the minute's up before we start looking at solutions? Okay, cool. So it looks like we got everyone in, and then yeah, that was cool. Look at these two though, like the top two in Ruby, which I don't understand at all. But like, we got completely different methods. It looks like we got like that, and then Carpin's got a hash going on. I mean, look, it's similar, but it's not quite, you know. Let's go back to the first one. Yeah, see, it's just confusing. Well, I said done, everyone. That was a good one. Everyone's under 200. So, yeah, I've got the most. We won't pay attention to that. Alright, shall we do another private one? Let's see, actually, how am I doing on time? I do have some things I need to do, but I might be able to hop on later as well. I think I might just start doing this. I like these private ones. We should keep doing that. I mean, of course, I'll do the other ones until we get like a nice big group, but yeah, let's do a private clash while we have everyone here. Okay. Honestly, I didn't think I was even going to finish that one. Just because we had to create, or well, the way I saw it was I needed to create a dictionary for all those values, all those prices, but some of those solutions, it didn't look like you were actually doing that. So, watch, this will be one of those ones where it's like, find the third angle in a triangle given two angles, or something simple like that. Or count the number of capital letters. It'll just be a matter of who can type the fastest. Now, do they include bot with the online? Jeez, people online. Yeah, I don't recognize any bot pictures, the ones that I've known. So, hey, what's up, Vivex? Welcome. We're doing some clashing. Yeah, that last one was tricky. Okay. Got everybody in. Maybe we'll wait till 3. Give it a little more time. Alright. Pretty much. But only if it's an unladen swallow. Or it could be two swallows carrying, gripping it by the husk. Alright, let's clash. Alright, another fastest. Dang. It's quick. Alright, so. Oh, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. And you like how that noise isn't as invasive now? It's not all loud. So, could still be a little loud. I might turn down a little bit, but thanks. Sorry, we'll let them finish. Hey, what's up, Time Traveler? So I'm just being quiet because we got a couple people finishing the clash, but welcome. We're just doing some private clashing. Let's see. So this is the link originally, but this is our link here. If you wanted to look at the code. Alright, there we go. Looks like clash is over. There's the link for the results. And nice. Yeah, that one was tough for me. So I was looking through them. Let's see. Uh, yeah, this is actually what I was thinking about doing in the original, like doing something with a lambda x kind of sorting, but I wasn't sure how to go about it. So then I just opted for where's mine? Very hacky, lengthy code. I even had a whole nother thing, and now I'm doing mini instead of min because what's uh, oh, yeah, no, that clash was almost done, but I'm down for another one. If everyone wants to do one more before I head out, um, we could definitely do that. But yeah, someone mentioned earlier that it's not good practice to use min or max or I forget what the keyword was earlier. Some. There you go. And they were right. I mean, I need to really name my variables something other than keywords or reserved words. Sometimes it causes bugs, sometimes not. But yeah, that's my long, ugly code. Um, yeah, Ruby is just such a like. Look at that. That is just so concise. And maps. I really want to understand maps better, so I might seek out some practice. I think, yeah, Murat used map as well. So yeah, good job everybody. GG's. So let's do one more and then I'll head out. And yeah, and don't worry, Grig. Oh, sorry, I can't pronounce that. Grigori. Um, I wasn't sure I was gonna get that one either. That was a pretty tricky one. So and then you got little 1 minutes and stuff, 3 minutes. But yeah, I almost took. Anyways, I digress. Let's go ahead and do one more, and then we'll call it for this session. I'm thinking. Let's see. Well, I think I'm gonna do the private clash more often. This is fun. I mean, it does take a lot of viewers, but okay. So here's the link for this. Let's see. Just repeating the same function on every element of a list. Okay. Yeah, I don't think anything's easy in C, to be honest. I mean, I've been so spoiled with C++, and I've just started C sharp recently, doing some tutorial work on that. And so, but yeah, C and struct, I remember that being a thing. Oh, it's impressive. I almost think Python's kind of cheating with this stuff. I mean, it's not, it's still programming, but, Python lets you slide on so many different things, so. In fact, I remember my first language was Java, and then I learned C++, and I was like, okay, this is pretty similar. And then I learned Python, and it's just like, what was I doing? I don't know. Then you got all these other languages, Swift, Go, specialized languages. Yeah. I think I even saw a rubber duck language at one point. I'm sure it exists. Alright. So we got a couple more on this one. So give it a little more time. I don't know. I don't really have anything going on today except for a few errands I got to run. So I might actually be back on this evening, but we'll see. It's like middle of the day here. So I don't know. I was looking, it's kind of interesting. We got people from all over. We had, it looked like, Turkey, Ukraine, Russia, Germany, a couple America. We got France. I apologize. I'm not familiar with that flag. But yeah, just all over. I love CodinGame. All right. We all ready? Let's go ahead and do it. All right. So, go fastest. Oh, yeah. I think I should have quit while I was ahead. Oh, anyways. Good luck, everybody. Hey, what's up, Matan? Welcome. Oh, sorry. Everyone's concentrating and I just started yelling. Welcome. Yeah. Good luck. Yeah, I haven't checked that out. I didn't know there was a puzzle of the week. I knew there was a big thing coming up. I think there was like a monthly thing, but I'll have to check that out. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I'm gonna do this one. I'll let everybody that's actually gonna be doing this. Like, I got an idea of how to do it, but this kind of gets into like permutations, all the different paths, or Dijkstra's Traveler's algorithm and stuff like that, graphs. Yeah. Interested to see what people do to solve it though, so I'm gonna at least stick it out and check out the puzzle of the week. Oh, oh no. Okay, maybe not. Let's see, go to the event. Yeah, it looks like we're having issues. Wait, event? Oh, there we go. Events. Gotcha. Oh no, it's having issues here. Yeah, it's not able to load right now. Maybe it's because I'm in the middle of clashing. I don't know. Yeah, the couple of puzzles I've done. Let's see. Yeah, I hear you. That's where I'm at. I mean, I know like how to do it in theory, like working with graphs. There's a way to like, well, first be able to determine a route, and then there's ways to determine the shortest route. Basically, like you could build up all of the routes, all the potential ways that you can go from point A to point B. But oh, breadth first search. Let's see. We'll just do BFS Python. Oh. Yeah, everything is that. Alright, I'll search it down here. Ooh. I think my internet's about to go out. No, I'm still on here. Huh. Hmm. Let's see how we do on this. 5 minutes. Yeah. Still got a lot of people doing it. thought was interesting. Wow. Sorry, I'm looking up BFS right now, seeing if there's like a nice little easy way to do it in Python. Just load all the nodes, load all the edges, or links, I guess it is in this one, and then calculate the shortest path that way. So, okay. This is making sense. Now, how to implement it. Okay. See how we doing on the time? Yeah, about a minute. Let's see, how's everyone else doing? Uh, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and submit and take a peek. I'll admit, I don't know graphs. Let's see. I do have a Python in here. Nice, yeah. Ooh, collections default dictionary. Okay. Okay, so you put S and C. Sorry, I guess I should wait until we got 20 seconds. Alright, looks like that's the Clash. And yeah, it looks like, I don't know what that name is. It's an interesting name, but nicely done, whatever your name is. That looks a lot like what I was trying to do. Let me let's go ahead and see how my DNS went down for a little bit. I always want, but anyways, this is hold up searching it. This looks a lot like yeah, you've got your visited, you know, your queue, and then you're adding things to visited as you visit them, going through each of the adjacent ones, so like there, and then this one would have all these, and 5 inclusive. 7 has 5 and 8, because you can go backwards. So, yeah, then if we go back to, let's see how it is in Ruby. Whoa. Okay. Ruby almost looks like Bash, just in the way that you got your start and you have to put an end, and then, well, that works. Yeah, visited, found, stuff like that. Nice. Well, that was that's quite the complex one. That was quite a hard one to end on. Hold on, let me pull up the yeah, that was a tough one, but that's just the nature of things. Graphs are usually one of the last things you learn if you're getting a degree in this sort of thing. I remember that was like the last thing we learned, all the other data structures and how to use them first, and then. But graphs are important. They make up a lot of the interwebs and tools. So, like your Facebooks and your social medias, it's all graphs. So, anyways, yeah, I still had a lot of fun. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Thanks everybody for helping me get my goal. Got over the 50 followers. Got a huge raid from Anthony Writes Code. And yeah, if you aren't familiar with Anthony Writes Code, definitely check him out. He does a lot of he's working with his Babby text editor, which is like, I don't even understand a lot of what he does, but I like watching it. It's entertaining. So, but yeah, but yeah, that was fun. I'm gonna go take care of some things. I might be on later today. Definitely try to be on more this week. I kind of slacked off the last couple of weeks, but I mean, I'm still trying to hit that 500 goal. We've got, let's see, I think I'm close to 250. Thanks. Even further on that goal. In fact, I'll have to check and see because I was like 4 away from 50 when we started. I definitely got a few follows. Thank you. Another follow. That's awesome. But yeah, I'm right here. I haven't really done a lot. I really should spend some more time doing the puzzles because I've done a lot on. Well, let's look at the Code Wars. Thanks for the follows, Zippo. Lots of follows today. But yeah, if you look at this is my Code Wars profile. If we go to, I've done. Oh jeez. 360 challenges, and I keep telling myself that I'm going to. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for stopping by, Carpin. It was fun. We'll have to do it again soon. But as far as this goes, I want to do a streaming series where I actually go through and talk about all these. Awesome. Thanks for the follows. Lots of follows. Um, just because I'm also trying to do, and actually while I'm doing this, let's do a little self promotion. Uh, Nothing too. Okay. Sorry, I just like just start willy nilly throwing things in there. Can I still see it on the stream? Yes. So this is actually my little bit of web development, but oh wait, is this the Arabic one? Oh no. So this is my little tutorial for anyone who's trying to get into computer science. It's very hacky. It's not the cleanest. It looks ugly. I'm not a big web development or web design guy, but yeah. So eventually I'm going to do this. And actually I'll throw this link in there. It's in my profile, my thing, but if you know anybody who's trying to get into coding, and it's not pen, it's full, unless you want to try to edit it, but you got to log in as me, so. And my passwords are all 90 characters, so. Just kidding. But anyways, but that's that. So if you do know somebody who's interested in getting into this, or you want to get better at programming yourself, I've got Java and Python so far. I'm in the process of translating this into Arabic. I have a lot of friends over in Saudi Arabia, a lot of college roommates. But anyways, yeah. So this is very basic stuff. You got white hat, you got Google foo, debugging, security, what I'm allowed to share with security. Oh, this still has. Never mind. Ignore binary notation if you are visiting the site because I accidentally put. Wait. No, it is gone. Interesting. No, and here's some very basic HTML. And you got your. And if you haven't seen CodePen, I highly recommend it because if you're doing any web development, you got your HTML, you got your CSS, and then you got your JavaScript all right here, all in the same window. So it's great for beginners. It's not great for people, professionals. I have a few friends that do this for a living, and they kind of scoff at it. But I mean, it is. It's kind of like holding your hand, I guess is the way they would describe it. But for beginners, there's no shame in that. Anyways, yeah, I'll have to fix that because all of this is not supposed to be here. That's the entire website in a nutshell. But anyways, and then if we go back to the Code Wars, I've been spending a lot of time on this. 360 of these challenges, most of them the easy ones, but I've also done 2 or 3 of the level 4s. I don't know. I'm still pretty beginner, but anyways, yeah, Ruby. I need to get better at Ruby because that apparently with CodinGame, if we look here, okay, this might not be the best example because this gets a little complex, but still really simple. Like everything's, or not simple. I'd actually say complex, but you know, concise, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, but yeah, that's my little self promo plug. The link to this open source computer science is in my on my homepage on Twitch, and I have actually let's go ahead and you can see how far I am with the Arabic version. Oh, jeez. I also did a QA thing because I have a friend who's a hiring manager for a company here in Denver. That's hiring QA engineers, so I did a stream on that. Where is Arabic? Where is my Arabic? No, those are the really ugly projects. OSCS. There it is. I'm just really excited about this. Like, you can actually see. That's crazy to me. I'm used to working with the normal English ASCII, and or the UTF-8, I guess I should say, not normal. I mean, obviously that's rude, but for English. But then to be able to see this, and my next project, I want to do it in Russian because I'm really interested. Russian, and then whatever, some of those other Eastern European languages. But I also have a Spanish one going too. So, yo hablo de español. I actually do speak Spanish as a second language, but not very well. So, all right. Well, thanks everybody for stopping by. Yeah, you can check out these sites. Eventually, I'll have it in Arabic, and I have a friend who's actually proofreading it. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be translated. So, as I go, I've been doing, just Google Translate, dropping it in there. So, but anyways, thanks for all the follows. That was awesome. Definitely smashed the goal of 50 today. Hopefully, I'll be able to become an affiliate. And yeah, I'll see everybody later. Thanks for coming by.